hey, common issue. So this little riser, sprinkler, dripper thing, it broke off in here. A whole lot of water coming out. No reason for that. Okay, except for that part was broken off inside the pipe. How do you get that out of there? Simple tool.
Oh.
Super cheap little tool. Look. Look down in there. Down in there.
Yeah, I'm looking. Oh, okay.
There he goes.
Okay.
Yeah, like that little spot. I'm going to touch it. Oh, there you go. Simple. Just shove that tool down in there, and it's reverse threaded. I'll wait till it focuses.
Yeah.
And there we go. Simply squirrel that thing out of there. And look, there's the
Boom.
broken off piece.
Brilliant.
So then replace it with a new one, which will last a lot longer. You don't got to use any stuff, Teflon tape or anything like that. Just screw it all together. And then it's all wet, so you can't really get a grip, so I use a glove. Look at that. Done.
What's that tool again?
I don't know what the name of it is, but there's for a bigger pipe, of course. And like I said, it's reverse threaded, so to screw it off, there you go.
Ah, different attachments.
1/2 inch pipe, 3/4 inch pipe. Look, I'm going righty-loosey, lefty-tighty on it. There you go. Boom, that's for a bigger pipe. Small pipe. The right tool, the right time.